Hello, my partiers. It is your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another video. Hello, my partiers. It is your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another
video.
Okay, you guys, it is Halloween season again, and me and Amaya always do these themed pumpkins every year. So this year, what pumpkins are we doing, Mom?
Peppa Pig.
What?
Peppa Pig.
Amaya wanted to do Peppa Pig, y'all. I didn't want to do Peppa Pig, to tell you the truth about it. But we are gonna, right now, what we did was washed our pumpkins down. And I'm gonna turn this camera around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you guys see, so we washed our pumpkins down. We're gonna dry them off right now. And then we're going to, I'm looking at Amaya, what she's doing. We're going to spray paint them pink, Peppa Pig pink, you guys. So stay tuned to this video. Say it. What? Stay tuned to this what?
Video.
They can't see you.
Video.
Okay. Okay, you guys. See, this is the spray paint that I'm using. For some reason, I like using this spray paint. This color is called, it's Rust-Oleum 2 times, and it's called Satin Sweet Pea, you guys. This is the bomb spray paint, you guys, to use. But we're going to be spraying these for Peppa Pig's pink, you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the wind is blowing and I'm trying to spray this pumpkin, so we'll see how this goes. It's not funny. Ooh. I'm just gonna light coat it, you guys. No, we do theme ones every year. You guys, I'm gonna just light coat spray it right now, and I'm gonna cut you back on. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I was talking to my mom's neighbor, you guys, a very nice guy, and I was telling him that we do themed pumpkins every year, me and Amaya. But I have finished spraying this pumpkin, you guys, and see how the color pops on this pumpkin, you guys. Very pretty, very pretty. See, so when it dries, I'm gonna spray the bottom, which I coated this 2 times. But when it dries, I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm going to spray the bottom of it, and then I'm gonna spray these 2, you guys. So when we return, you will see all of the pumpkins, all of the pumpkins spray, you guys. So we will be back. Okay, you guys, so we have finished our pumpkins, you guys.
We're
so
back with another video.
This is the same video, Amaya. The same video. Okay, so we did it the best I did it the best of my ability to match up with Peppa Pig's color, you guys. So this is the finishing results. Now we can move on to the decorating part, you guys. But you see how that color pops? And if you go back to some of my old videos, you guys, you will see I even did this on another pumpkin. But I love this color. But we are going to start decorating these babies, and we will be back. These piggies, you guys, and we will be back. Okay, you guys, so here's the next step. Now, you see this cup right here? This is a plastic drinking cup. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, you guys. They come in red. You know the colored cups, red. This one is pink. But you guys can take one of these cups right here to make Peppa Pig's snout. All you have to do is cut it down to like right here, you guys. And then, well, let me show you this one. Okay, see, this cup was red, like this. But I sprayed it the same pink as the pumpkins. When, if I had a knew that my mom had this cup at her house, I would have just used this cup and I would have kept it pink like this, you guys. And cut it down to right here. And then I would have went and got some pink construction paper. That's what I'm using with mine. I'm going to take it. I have taken it, you guys, and cutting little circles in like that to make the imprints on the pig's nose, snout. So it's going to go like this. And I'm going to make two, you guys. I'm going to make one to put right here, and then one to put right here, you guys. So this is what I'm doing right now, the step that I'm doing right now to creating the snout for the pumpkins. And I'll be back. All right, you guys. So this pumpkin is going to be Peppa Pig right here. And as you can see, I bought this little pink fabric from the Dollar Tree, you guys.
No, I bought it.
Well, Amaya says she bought it, you guys. So we're using this for her dress. So I just basically, like, see these pins, you guys? I tried to glue it on, but then I stuck these push pins on each side of them to hold it, you guys, in place. And then we cut out we used some pink construction paper, and we cut out the blush spots on Peppa Pig's face. There's one, and then the other one is on this side. And then we have some googly eyes we're going to be using on Peppa Pig. And then for the arms and legs, we're going to be using these, what are they called? Tinsel stems, you guys. And I got the pink glitter like ones. And these came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So we are going to start by I'm gonna hot glue the eyes on. Let me turn it so you guys can see. I'm gonna hot glue the eyes on, you guys. And I want mine to line up by the blush, by this blush spot. So I'm gonna turn it my way, you guys. And I am going to use my hot glue gun. And I'm just going to press it on there and hold it for, you turn it around and hold it for a minute. See, we got one on there. One, you guys. And let me do the other one. I'm going to put the other one right here. So I'm just going to use my glue gun again. And Amaya isn't helping you guys, and she's the one that wanted to do Peppa Pig. So I'm ended up doing Peppa Pig. Okay. So you guys see, we got the eyes on. And I am going to stick the nose on, you guys. So it's gonna look like, am I holding it right? It's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. But we're gonna glue the nose on, you guys. And when I come back, you guys, we're just about gonna have all of these. We're gonna have them all done, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And guess what? I will probably with you guys next time. And like I said, I will be including the finishes of these pumpkins in the end of this video. Alright, you guys. Hello, my partiers. It is your girl, Tiffany. Back at you again with another video.